You won't believe this village cucumber salad recipe. All right, let me show you how to make a super fresh cucumber salad right here in the heart of the village. It's simple, healthy, and honestly, one of my favorite ways to cool off on a hot day. First, I pick a couple of crisp cucumbers straight from the garden. There's something about using vegetables you've just harvested. The flavor just hits different. Give them a good wash and then chop them into thin slices. You can keep the skin on if you like that extra crunch. Next, I add some juicy tomatoes, a handful of red onions sliced thin. If you've got fresh herbs, coriander, mint, tear some in. In the village, we love bold flavors, so I toss in a bit of green chili for a little kick. Of course, you can skip that if you prefer it mild. For the dressing, I squeeze in fresh lemon juice. No bottles here, just straight off the tree if you've got one. Sprinkle over some salt and maybe a dash of black pepper. Sometimes I drizzle a bit of homemade mustard oil, but any light oil will do. Now mix everything together by hand gently so you don't mash the veggies. Let it sit for a few minutes to soak up all that flavor, and there you have it. A healthy, crunchy cucumber salad with that village touch, perfect on its own or as a side with your meal. Give it a try. Trust me, it tastes like summer in every bite.